Sarepta Therapeutics is heating up across trader circles as speculation ramps over a potential buyout, fueled by renewed confidence in the company's pipeline progress, especially its advancing DM1 clinical study. The community is buzzing about whether Sarepta's momentum and maturing portfolio make it an attractive acquisition target for larger biotech players looking to expand in the genetic medicine and RNA therapeutic space. At the same time, investors are dissecting the company's valuation with a fine tooth comb. Some argue that the stock still isn't fully pricing in upcoming milestones and long term revenue potential across multiple indications, while skeptics point to competitive data on the horizon that could sway sentiment in either direction. Analyst ratings have become a key talking point as well, with recent updates from major firms prompting debates about risk reward, market share assumptions, and regulatory timelines. Institutional ownership is also under the microscope as traders track accumulation patterns for clues about deeper conviction behind the scenes. Adding more fuel to the discussion, Sarepta announced an agreement with certain holders to exchange $291.4 million of its 1.25% exchangeable notes due 2027 for an equal amount of new 4.875% exchangeable notes due 2030. These newly issued notes will merge into the same series as the $602 million tranche released in August, bringing the total outstanding 4.875% notes due 2030 to a hefty $893.4 million. The move is sparking debate about capital structure strategy. Some see it as smart maturity extension and balance sheet management, while others view it as a sign the company is positioning itself for major strategic decisions ahead. Overall, the stock is becoming a battleground name. Buyout rumors, competitive dynamics, pipeline catalysts, and now a significant note exchange are all converging to make SRPT one of the most actively dissected tickers of the moment.
So yeah, the stock is also heavily shorted, down 6.17%. The stock has been consolidating since since the summer of this year at various times, bouncing. It also bounced with the broader market from the 21st of November. Got a rejection on Wednesday the 3rd. Yeah, was that the day? Thursday the 4th, and has just been contracting. Yeah, that expansion, yeah, has been contracting. That is what is still very pretty much in effect, and the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it might continue with the same trajectory going all the way towards Christmas, and then after that it might just get volatile. The 40-day moving average is equally declining to forestall any attempt to bounce, so it's expected to trade below that moving average. It could defy it. Projections are currently saying 21.01, 22.95, 24.14. It recovered from its intraday low of 18.83 printed today as well. Today printed recovered from that low. Momentum is expected to continue to decline up till Christmas Eve, and then maybe pick up again during the volatility that's expected after maybe from Boxing Day. Yeah, this is what the daily chart seems to be suggesting. We could also try and have a look at the market grid. It's going to give us a range of prices that are possible. Yeah, let's see. It's going to be a really tight range. Yes, 23.22 to 21.18. Not fascinating. Let's see. It's a 4 hour chart. Yeah, okay. It looks like we have a wider range here. Yes, 21.26 and 19.54. Okay. Here on the daily chart, yeah, the trajectory. Okay, it's actually looking up now. It got a bounce. It got a bounce from 18 point. We have it as 18.83. Yeah, 18.83. So the trajectory is to the upside. I think Let's see now. We could reapply the market grid. It's going to give us 18. The current price is 21 20.98. So it might, yeah, it might, retest 21.05. Yeah, not that it's going to be of. That's not that it's going to be that fantastic. Yeah, the same sort of projections which is what we have as well on this 4 hour chart. Okay, so yeah, make the most of that readout I just heard about there. The company rebalancing its debt and reshuffling its balance sheet, extending the debt downstream, some years ahead. All of those can be construed as strategic moves to position itself for, if you like, an acquisition. One can argue otherwise, but some people are impressed with that. Some are, not so impressed, given by what we have here. This uh, you know decline of 5.81%. Okay, so going by what we have, we can conclude by the volume, based on volume we have so far. We really can conclude that it's not a climatic event. It's not. It's just a regular trading day. It's just a regular trading day. So I think people are not dumping the stock as such. They're not really dumping the stock as such. So they'll still be around. So it's just that people, some they may have, I mean, whatever the reason is, behind what they are, behind probably I would say profit taking that has occurred now, or behind the reason why they're exiting the stock, whatever it is, it could be because of this readjustments and all that. But all I can say is that it's not a climatic day, given, by the fact that the volume is not really that outrageous. For some reason, it's not coming up. Yeah, it's not that outrageous. 1.803 million. You may well go ahead and print the 50-day average, but from all the indications, we could just say that maybe if it doubles by the end of today's trading session, it will still be below its 50-day average. So the point I'm trying to make is that it's not climatic. People will still hang around the stock. So let's see how it goes, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.